Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. No workout for me this morning. Day off. I do have some stuff to do around the house. So I thought I would start maybe vlogging a little bit more to kind of give you insight as to what I do during the week. I think you guys can get to know me a little better if I start vlogging. So this is kind of my first vlog, as I guess you can say. I'm still having my coffee. I'm gonna jump in the shower here in a little bit and then take the girls out on their Jeep ride before it gets too hot. Yeah, so I'm also gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna show you what my routine would be for a Sunday, which is very, very simple. But yeah, let me jump in the shower and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Guys, so I'm gonna quickly go through what my look would be for a Sunday. Let me scoot you back a little bit so you guys can see me. I already have my moisturizer on, and the first thing I do is, well, I already curled my lashes just a little bit, but I'll go back and do that again. I love to use the Dreamskin cushion by Dior. It has treatment in it and it has an SPF of 50, which is huge. I think it's a little light, but I like to darken it up a little bit with a bronzer that I have that I'll be showing you. I'm kind of a late bloomer with this certain bronzer. So I go ahead and just tap a little bit all over my skin. It gives you a nice, pretty dewy finish. But what I like the most about this product is that it has an SPF of 50, which is pretty high. And I love it because it gives me a really pretty healthy glow. And it gives you just a tiny bit of coverage. Really, it's for those days that you really don't want to wear any makeup. I think it's like about $90, but it's worth it, you guys, because like I said, it's treatment and sunscreen in one. And it lasts you quite a while. All you do is just kind of press it and then just dab it into the skin. And I don't know if you can tell from there, but it gives you a really pretty healthy glow. So I do that, and then I go ahead and do just a little bit of a concealer, which is the Clé de Peau, and I'm not sure what color I'm using in this. It's kind of old, like I've had it for quite a while. I'll link it down below or somewhere in this clip. So I just do a little bit right underneath my eyes, and then I go back with my beauty blender and then I just dab it. Okay, that's done. And then I get my mascara, which is the Lancōme. You guys, I have absolutely loved this mascara. I think it's gonna be up there with my Hypnose. The more and more I use it, the more I like it. And then I'm just gonna go at it with this mascara, which I absolutely love. And I don't put a lot of mascara on Sundays, I just do a little bit. I typically do a little bit more during the week, but I just want to darken my lashes a little bit so I don't look so blah. Okay, that is it for mascara. And then I brush my little brows a little bit. And then I like to use this right here by Dior. It's the Dior Show Brow Gel. It's Pump and Brow, and I love it. Really fine little comb at the end. And all I do is just kind of fill in the little gaps a little bit, comb up. I'm not really shaping them. I'm not adding more. Like, I'm not gonna go back and do it, you know, add more. Oh my god, I have this long brow, like a Groucho Marx brow. Can you see that? Oh my god, look. It's like a long brow, but I'm not gonna tweeze it. Oh my god, look at that. Can you see it? It's like a long brow. Oh. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Maybe I'll trim it. So I just go in and fill in the little gaps a little bit and just kind of brush them and come out a little bit down here. And this brow gel really keeps your brows in place, so I I love it. Okay. And then this is the bronzer that I'm talking about. This is the Soleil Tan by Chanel. I'm kind of a late bloomer with this. I probably purchased it right around when quarantine happened, like in March. I think I saw a Hilary Duff video on YouTube of her daytime routine and she was using this. So I looked it up and I had a hard time finding it, but then my SA at Dillard's, Ramiro, thank you, had some in stock, so I bought one and I absolutely love this stuff. So on top of the Dreamskin cushion, I go ahead and get my buffing brush, which is an Estee Lauder buffing brush, and this is like my holy grail brushes. I love this brush. I just kind of grab a little bit in circular motions and then I just kind of go at it all over, just to kind of give me a little bit more color, only because I feel that the Dreamskin cushion color right now is just a little bit light. I don't do very much, I just do very little, and it automatically gives me a little color. So that does that. So next I just go ahead and do a little bit of blush. This is number 57 by Armani, just to kind of give me a little bit of a pop. Just like so. And then I do the Dior lip glow, and that pretty much does it. It's melted, so I have to kind of grab it with my finger. I think I left it in my car, so now it's melted. I tried putting it in my fridge to kind of make it go back to its shape, but it didn't work. I love this stuff because it just gives you a pop of color on the lip, and it keeps your lips pretty hydrated. And that, my friends, is my look for the day. Ready to go bye-bye? Are you ready to go bye-bye? Are you ready? Are you ready to go? You want to go on your Jeep ride? Huh? You little monkeys? Look at these faces. From Gymshark, and I absolutely love them. I love that they're high-waisted, so they suck everything up. And I think I bought every single color. I have these in pink, aqua, gray, and then I have these purple ones. But I really love that they're super high-waisted, and these are a size small. But yeah, so let's do this. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to run a few errands in town. I dread leaving the house, but I have to. I have to go to the post office, and then I have a return to do at Zara. So I'm gonna mask up, get my hand sanitizer, but let me show you my outfit. Super simple, very comfortable. The only thing about these pants is that they stain so fast. A little low cut. Let me show you what I did. I ended up pulling it together. Let's see if I can get this shot of the back. Give me a second. So I put that little kind of like a, I don't know what you call these, but it kind of scooped up the front a little bit so it's not so exposed. So I'm a lot more comfortable with this little thing. So now I'm just gonna get a quick bite to eat, and then I'm gonna head out. But this is the outfit. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready for bed and I'm just gonna do my nighttime routine. I ran out of my Neutrogena cleanser, so I've been using my Bobbi Brown cleansing oil, which I really love because you can use it on dry skin. So it was a productive day today. I did a lot around the house, so I'm trying to really declutter my house a little bit. So so it actually feels really good when you start decluttering. You know, there's so many things that you don't realize you have until you start just kind of purging. So it's a process. It's not going to be like immediate. I mean, it's going to take me a couple of weeks to really go through all of my stuff. Like, I'm really trying to get the kitchen organized. So I did the pantry and it looks really good. My husband got home and he started looking through the trash because he said, like, he kind of looked into the pantry and he thought, where's all our food? So a lot of that stuff we never used. You know, we never was just there. So, I mean, I got rid of a lot of stuff. He did pull some stuff out, stuff that he had just purchased. So he was able to save some of the stuff that I was actually throwing out. Anyway, so the pantry is good. So now I need to tackle all the cupboards, all the cabinets and underneath. I mean, we have so many cabinets in our kitchen. A lot of it is wasted space. So I know that I can start getting rid of a bunch of stuff and kind of start fresh. So that will probably be towards the end of the week. I'll start like working on that. But right now I'm just gonna go sit in front of the television and just kind of relax for the rest of the evening and call it a night. So I will see you guys later.